Mastering Conflicting Viewpoints, Evaluating Evidence. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of the ACT Science Reasoning section, focusing on the Conflicting Viewpoints Passages. One of the critical skills in this section is evaluating evidence supporting each viewpoint. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to approach and analyze these passages effectively. Conflicting viewpoints passages are unique. Unlike other passages that present data or experiments, these focus on multiple scientific explanations or theories about a particular topic. You'll encounter different viewpoints or hypotheses, sometimes opposing, about the same scientific phenomenon. Your task? Understand each viewpoint and the evidence that supports them. Evidence is the backbone of any argument. In these passages, authors provide evidence to support their claims. It's not just about understanding the viewpoints, but analyzing the strength and relevance of their supporting evidence. Sometimes, an argument might seem compelling, but its evidence is weak or unrelated. Recognizing these nuances can make all the difference in your answers. 1. Identify the main claim of each viewpoint. 2. List down the evidence provided for each claim. 3. Check the relevance of the evidence. Does it directly support the claim, or is it merely tangential? 4. Compare and contrast the evidence from different viewpoints. Which seems stronger? More direct? More credible? 5. Always keep an open mind. Sometimes, none of the viewpoints will have overwhelmingly strong evidence. In other cases, one might stand out. It's your job to determine which. While understanding these steps is crucial, applying them is where you truly master the skill. Practice with as many conflicting viewpoints passages as you can. Over time, you'll get better at quickly identifying and evaluating evidence, ensuring you're well prepared on test day. There you have it. Evaluating evidence in the conflicting viewpoints passages is a skill that requires both understanding and practice. We hope this guide has been enlightening. Remember, every bit of practice gets you one step closer to mastering the ACT Science Reasoning section. Keep pushing forward, and happy studying!